All right, so last video, I didn't know why my stuff was growing so slow. I figured it out. It was this nonsense. I decided to go the cheaper route and buy this, whatever this is. What is this? Evergreen, Stay Green potting mix. I decided to go in and check out to see what my cantaloupes were doing and why they weren't growing. I couldn't even get my mini shovel in there. This stuff turned to straight concrete. So now I'm digging everything up, replanting everything with the regular Miracle Grow that I usually use. That gives me a really great yield of fruit and vegetables. I don't know why I went with that nonsense this year, but I'll never do it again, and I hope you don't.
Yeah, so I think I bought this crap at Lowe's. Don't buy this. I couldn't even get my shovel down in there. I'm a big guy, and I was pushing really hard trying to get this stuff out. If I couldn't get my metal shovel down into this so-called soil, there's no way those roots were going to be able to move at all. But after digging through about 4 inches of what felt like concrete, I was able to loosen it up so I could start, digging the rest of it out and replacing it with the Miracle Grow. And I'm not advertising for Miracle Grow. I'm just letting you know what the problem was and how I fixed it. Just going back to what I normally do. I should have never went the cheap route, and I did. I regret it, but move these plants around and everything should be fine. So I'm just gonna let this video play and let you see exactly what I did with one of my grow bags. glad this was the only place I used that so-called soil. Everything's been dug up and replanted. It'll soon be climbing the trellis, and I'll have some juicy cantaloupes. I'll keep you updated. I'll be back in the next one.